Oh, sige, sige. Can we turn left there?
Yeah.
Oh, yun. Eh. Hoy, Korean yung Grab driver ko. It's Korean. It's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Left. Oh, Bob. Kaya nga eh. Ano, may hiring ba tayo? Offeran ko na ng job. Oh, wait lang. Baba muna ako. Tawagan kita ulit. Okay? Bye-bye.
You have a job?
Yes.
You offer me?
You need job?
Yeah,
But
I need job.
He just told me that your pay might be high. That's why I cannot offer.
Magkano sahod, ma'am? Hello.
Hello po.
Hello, Chan.
Yes. Are you Korean?
네.
Oh.
한국 사람입니다.
Seyo.
한국 사람입니다. 안녕하세요.
Can I take picture of that?
Yeah.
There's a free karaoke.
Yeah, I have a free karaoke here.
Amazing.
Do you sing?
I just got back from Korea last month.
Oh. You try singing?
Can I? But
Yeah, but very close.
yeah, it's very close.
Oh, next time.
Next time, I'll try to look for you.
First time encounter Korean driver.
Yes, it's the first time. I thought that one is for foreigners in case you have a passenger that's a Korean. I didn't know that you're a Korean.
But you've been Korea.
Yeah, I just got back from.
Wow.
Nice. I didn't take the microphone picture.
Yeah, you take a.
Yes, I'll take a picture. Amazing.
You Chinese?
Yes, Taiwanese.
Taiwanese?
Yes.
Taiwanese and Filipino?
Yes,
How?
yes. I was born and raised here, so I am very good in Tagalog already.
Oh, do you fluent Tagalog? My Tagalog not very good.
It's okay.
Also, my English not very good.
It's okay as long as you can communicate. People here are nice, so.
Yeah, Filipino very mabait.
Yes.
Mabait.
Yes, they're very helpful. Hello. Ano ba yan, brother? Oh, bakit, brother? Oo. Yeah, more or less. Siyempre, malapit na ako pa, hindi, nasa office ako. Malapit na ako sa office. Ano ba gusto mo? Picturean na lang? Gusto mo pa picture? O, ano pa doon bibilhin mo? Yung 380 o yung 190? Oh, sige. Can we turn left there?
Yeah.
Oh, yun. Eh. Hoy, Korean yung Grab driver ko. It's Korean. It's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Left. Oh, Bob. Kaya nga eh. Ano, may hiring ba tayo? Offeran ko na ng job. Oh, wait lang. Baba muna ako. Tawagan kita ulit. Okay? Bye-bye.
You have a job?
Yes.
You offer me?
You need job?
Yeah, I need job.
He just told me that your pay might be high. That's why I cannot offer.
Magkano sahod, ma'am?
Oh, yun naman pala. Magaling mag-chay. Papanggap lang to si kuya. Buisit ka.
Magkano sahod?
Ano? Ayoko na! Hindi ka pala Korean.
Wait.
Hindi ka pala Korean.
Wait lang.
Kaya pala yung mukha mo. Hindi naman Korean, kuya.
Hindi nga talaga kasi
Ano tawag
Filipino ako.
dito?
It's a prank!
Naghahanap ka ba?
Ano po?
Naghahanap ka?
Anong trabaho, ma'am?
Driver nga.
Driver?
Oo.
Hiring kayo, ma'am?
Oo.
Talaga?
Pero mukhang malakikita mo, nanluloko ka pa dito. Baka naka-video to,
Ma'am!
Ay, ano?
Ang video nga po, ma'am.
Ano ba yan, kuya? Buti na, di ako nagtanggal ng mask.
So, wait lang, ma'am. Kwentuhan mo tayo. Okay lang po ba? Actually, vlogger po talaga ako.
Seryoso?
Opo. Yeah, I'm Don Bertos TV. Ito po. Search nyo lang po. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Okay?
Okay.
So, it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender. I'm not the greatest
the
prankster.
greatest. Buti di ako kumanta. My
Yan,
God.
sayang. Masyadong malapit yung
Kaya
gayahin
nga
natin eh.
eh. Thank you,
So,
kuya.
baka may shoutout kay ma'am.
Naiyak.
Naka-face mask ka naman, may okay lang yan. So, okay lang i-upload, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Sige.
Ingat, ma'am. Ano ang pangalan, ma'am?
Secret!
Ayaw magpakilala ni ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Bye, kuya.
Apo, bye-bye. Okay, half Philippine and half Taiwanese. So, hindi natin kilala si ma'am kung sino siya, but it's a prank. So, di ba? Meron pa rin. Kaya ko pa rin, di ba? Because I'm the great, still the great pretender, di ba? Not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender.